This is week 2 of development for Omerta Rising. This week was focused on faction identity, visual clarity, and completing the core gameplay systems, and at this point, the game now has a fully functional gameplay loop. Faction identity clan selection is now implemented in the lobby. When you choose a faction, the background updates to reflect its identity. Units now have faction-based colors, making it much easier to distinguish armies during battles. Health bars have been redesigned and now display HP percentage for better clarity. UI and feedback improvements. 3D canvas UI elements now properly face the camera, improving readability during gameplay. The selection system has been improved. Clear selection now works correctly when a unit is despawned over the network. Shift selection behavior has also been fixed. Right-click visual effects have been added for better command feedback. Custom cursors and outline highlights are planned next. World and map. A functional minimap has been added, including zone visualization. Zones are now integrated into the minimap system. Unit icons on the minimap are now colored based on the owning player, improving readability and making it easier to track battlefield situations. Environmental elements like tree spawning have been implemented to give the map more life. Neutral units are now present on the map. Economy and structures, barracks, the scout building, and the bar are now fully functional. A farm for generating income, material extraction buildings, and a casino for producing money have also been implemented. Workers no longer shoot while working. Worker spawn progress bars are now visible. Worker spawning is tied to morale. Higher morale allows additional NPCs to spawn, who can later become workers or warriors. Houses inside zones now produce resources. A balance pass has been done on worker counts, upkeep, and economic consumption. Base duplication issues in multiplayer have been fixed. Heroes system. Heroes are now implemented. They can level up to level 7. Heroes are displayed in the barracks interface. Territory and victory. Zone decolonization had been implemented. Clear wind conditions are now part of the game. At this stage, Omerta Rising has a complete and playable gameplay loop, from expansion and economy to combat and victory. Omerta Rising is a long-term project. I'm sharing these weekly updates to build a community around the game and to show the real development process. If you have ideas about heroes, factions, balance, or mechanics, leave them in the comments. I genuinely read and consider your feedback. If you'd like to support the project, there's a link in the description. Everything is transparent and any support goes directly toward development. Thank you for following Week 2. See you in Week 3.